Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. This is the first U.S. national park established in 1872. Right now, we are looking at the Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the U.S. The first thing that catches your eye is a variety of colors, reds, greens, and blues. The clear blue is in the middle with reds and greens around it. This effect has to do with microbes and bacteria. The center of the pool is hot, sterile water that boils up from the underground. The temperature is so high here that even bacteria cannot survive. Farther from the center of the spring, the temperature lowers, and this is where pigmented bacteria and microbes live and create hues of greens and reds. Hajde da utvrdimo gradivo. Bacterium is singular, jednina. Bacteria is plural, množina. Dakle, bakterija, bakterije. Imamo i jedan idiom koji smo pomenuli, a to je to catch somebody's eye, odnosno privući pažnju. You need to learn your idioms by heart, one by one. Idiome morate da učite napamet. Evo još dva idioma sa catch. To catch your breath, uhvatiti vazduh, doći do vazduha, doći do daha. And to catch a cold, prehladiti se. That's all for today, and happy holidays!